Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, May 21st. I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and this is the chart of the S&P, and yesterday's close was 2840. Today, the futures index is trading at 2858, so somewhere right about over here. We closed the gap from last week. So we're going to open right about over here. I want to call your attention to some upcoming events. This is the economic calendar for the week. Today, on the 21st, the existing home sales report will be released at 10 a.m. And that shouldn't move the market too much, but tomorrow at 2 p.m., check this out. The FOMC minutes are going to be read, and we'll get a direction of interest rates, or at least a lead on interest rates and what the Federal Reserve feels they're going to be doing in the future. So 2 p.m. tomorrow, watch for it. Don't be in the market then. That's not the time to be in the market, because this is market moving information. Okay. We're going to go back now to the open. The open's going to be in about 2 minutes. I'm just going to pause this video momentarily until the market opens. Again, expecting an open right about 2860, and we'll see what happens then. I would assume the market is going to be rising from there. Let me check. Let me show you a one-day chart of the S&P. Okay, this is the one-day chart. We're going to be opening right around here. And I would expect the market to have a positive day today. Yesterday, it really moved around a bit, but basically settled flat. So let's see what shakes out today. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. Remember, if you're looking for a way to make money, extra income, if you're worried about running out of money, maybe you're a retiree and you don't have enough retirement savings to hold you through a long, hopefully long retirement, try my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. I'll show you how to trade S&P E-minis successfully. And I'll be back to you when the market opens. Okay, the market has just opened. It's 9:30 a.m., Tuesday, May 21st. And let's see what we're doing here. Again, I think the market is going to have a good day today. I think we're going to close on the upside. Right now, the market opened about 18 points above where it closed yesterday. Not really doing too much. We're right over here, 28.58. I'm going to switch over to a 3-minute chart. I'm going to put in an order that was just hit. Limit order. I'm only in for 2 contracts right now. I'm going to close this position. Okay. Market still wants to run. I go at 28.60. With the stochastics at the high, it's only a 3-minute candle. Let me see a 5-minute. I buy it at 28.60. Okay, that order got picked up. Wait. See. Bulls certainly don't want to give up here. Bears are definitely in for a fight, but the Bulls don't want to give up. I think I'm going to get out of this trade, hopefully flat. 18 minutes into the trading day, I've executed 3 trades, and let me show you the results of those. Picked up 200 lost 25, gave back 25, picked up another 125. So net up 300 for the day so far, and that's trading two contracts. I'm going to stay at this screen. The market is trading sideways. Opened at 28.59 and a quarter, and doji in the first 15 minutes. You've taken my course, so you know the meaning of a doji. Right now, we're still in this sideways pattern, up and down trading in a range of, let's see, 28.62, call it for a high, 28.56, 57 for a low, 5 points in the trading range, but there's no breakout to either side. Dow is up 136 right now. S&P is up 13. We're going to follow this market for the first hour of today's session. Again, this video is for training purposes. I'm going to demonstrate how to trade and how you can make money doing this if you learn how to do it. A quick hit there on a reverse, show you the results. We're here, okay, these 4 trades this morning, picked up 100 on that last quick trade. Again, 2 contracts, S&P E-mini. This is the June contract. Market really doesn't show signs of directional movement. We're moving sideways. I picked up 3 quick scalps actually. I did 3 trades, gave back a little bit on one. Right now, we're still sideways. I'm not in the market right now. As you know, the safest place to be in the market is to be not in the market. No rush to trade, just watching. If I stopped right here, I'd be up $200, $300, $400 if I stopped right here. And that's only with 2 contracts. I normally trade 4 contracts. The market isn't showing any directional bias. We're at a doji in the first 15 minutes. We're just about the same doji in the second 15 minutes of the market action. Basically a seesaw market. I'm out of the market. I'm sitting on a little bit of a profit. I call $400 a little bit of a profit. But for you new traders, or for you if you're interested in trading, this is powerful stuff. This can save your life. This can change your outlook from one of poverty and not having enough money or not knowing where your next dollar is coming from, to having a business that you can run, you can control from your own home. Learn how to trade. Learn the right way to trade. I took a course years ago when I was first starting, and the teacher was a well-known teacher, and believe me, everyone in that course ended up losing money because his teaching was basically market theory. And what did we know as new traders, as newbies, beginners basically? We didn't know anything, so we listened to what he said. We set our stops where he told us to set it, and guess what? We were stopped out every time. So that's not the way to trade. Don't do that. Take my course, learn how to trade. Still a sideways trading market, and we can back off significantly. There's no momentum to this upward movement. Notice something here though. The second 15 minutes of the day, the market traded range was lower than the first 15 minutes. The high didn't match the high of the first 15 minutes, and the low exceeded the low of the second. So I'm not so sure that an entry here would be even a smart move. And if I'm not sure, I'm not going in. Simple as that. 10.06. This market is basically going sideways. It is going to break out eventually. 10:30, 11 o'clock, whenever that is, it will break out. I was going to put in a limit buy order, but the bulls are not there with conviction, and so neither am I. So I'm just going to wait this out. We're basically in a seesaw market pattern over here. There's no discernible direction. At 10:11, and the market is testing the lows for the day. I made some money on trades to the buy side. Right now, we're still in a sideways market. The Dow is still up 110, 111 for the day. It's not inconceivable that the futures are testing a low here, and then we'll reverse back to the upside. But right now, the stochastics are showing we're going toward the oversold level. You might have an opportunity for a trade there to the upside, but right now the real money is not in this market. The real money is waiting on the sidelines. Believe me. I'll show you guys something. It's 10:14, and this is the S&P, not the S&P futures. This is the S&P, and you can see where we opened yesterday, where we closed yesterday, and where we opened today. Right now, we're looking to maybe even close the gap from yesterday, which would be significant. So I'm going to go back to the futures. You'll notice also that on the S&P, the stochastics is way overbought, which doesn't necessarily mean it can't go higher, but still in all, it is high at this level. So I'm going to put in a sell order, see what happens here if we have a reversal to the downside. If not, I'm going to just get out of this. So I'm watching this price action develop on a sell order that I put in for 2 contracts. Just going to let this cook for a bit. There's really no strength in this trade. I'm going to leave that trade because it really wasn't going in our direction. I'll show you guys the results of that. Okay, we were flat on that one. Nothing gained, nothing lost. Still in all, I did that trade based on what I'm looking at here on the S&P chart with a overbought stochastics and the market trading with a significant gap up from yesterday, plus no real pressure to the upside. So right now I'm just on the sideline. It's 10:30, and this is typically where I end my morning trading. The market basically went nowhere this morning. It didn't break out to either direction. I picked up, let's see, 2, gave back 25, 125, 400, and this trade I exited flat. So $400 this morning on trading 2 contracts. So if you're interested in learning how to trade profitably, come to my site at timelessdollar.com, take my course, call me, and you'll be very happy to know that there is a way to generate income on your own and be financially secure. Okay, this is Marv Eisen. It's Tuesday, May 21st, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.